how to make this 4-foot wide Valentine's Day heart wall decor today. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're ready to get started. I have enlisted my son here.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. This is Chase, and I know you haven't seen him in a video in a long time, but he's back and we're gonna make some videos together now. So to make this heart, you're gonna need loads of napkins. So we're gonna start by cutting all these napkins in half, and then we're gonna draw out the heart on our what is it called? Garden craft netting, but you know it's chicken wire. And we're gonna get started. We're gonna take you through the entire thing. So let's get started. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Yeah, let's go. So you're basically taking this napkin, opening the side, putting the scissors inside like this, and cutting across the top. And keep doing that. Okay, so we're finished cutting all our napkins. And now we're gonna work on the chicken wire. So we're gonna cut that wire in the shape of a heart, and we're gonna do that now. Okay guys, so I purchased 4 feet by 4 feet of chicken wire, and now I'm gonna use a Sharpie, and I'm gonna hand draw a heart out of it. I'm literally just gonna do a sort of a funky heart. You can probably print a heart and then put it on top and see if that works, but I kind of want to wing it and see what comes out. Here's hoping. So I'm gonna draw the heart now. Chase, you think this looks like a heart?
Looks as close to a heart as a Y could be to me.
All right, good. Okay, guys. So I've strung my heart up, and it looks so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna use some dowels to straighten it up a bit, and then we're gonna start putting the napkins in and see how it looks. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we got started, and let me just show you what we're doing. All right, so you take a napkin, take a skewer, put it in the middle, bring it forward, pull this down, and so it looks cute like this. And I'm gonna take it like this and stick it in the hole. Okay, so we're sticking in every hole, or maybe every other hole, and I'm gonna just tap a dot of glue at the back to join every 2 of them together so that they don't come out, because of course they're napkins, they're easy to come out. So let's go. Guys, it's really starting to come together. So we have finished like maybe 1/6. But look how cute. Let me take you closer and show you. I mean, wow. Look at that. That looks so cute. And that's gonna go all the way up to the entire heart. And I can't wait. I can't wait. It's gonna be so cute. Okay. Chase, how do you like it?
It looks excellent.
Excellent, yeah. Okay guys, this is coming together really nicely. So I brought the camera to the back just to show you how I'm doing the back. So you put, as usual, you put it in here. It's so simple. Get it like this and then push it through one of the holes. Now you might think you can do this with a piece of cardboard, and while you probably can, there's value in the holes and this coming through the hole, and that's what's kind of keeping this to stay up like this. If you stick it on cardboard, there's a possibility that it will do that instead of, you see how you see the difference. So I suggest you really use the chicken wire. It would work, right? So I just put 2 in. I'm gonna grab my glue gun. You literally put in a dot of glue on one of the pieces like this, and then you're joining it to the other piece. So every 2 that you install, I suggest you just put a dot of glue and stick it together. And yeah, that's it. It's a lot of fun to do, I promise. It's not, if you look at it like you're gonna get something beautiful for your home and not like, oh my God, this is taking so long. I promise it'll be cute. You'll see. Okay, so I am done. But when you're finished, do the entire heart so you can see it. It's a heart. It looks perfect. The next step is to find all the areas that have holes. So you can see how you can see through it. You see like little bits here and there and there. Right. So I'm going to find all the areas that have holes, stick napkins in them, stick it to the back, and make it full and puffy and perfect. So I'm going to do that now. All right, so I'm done. So I'm gonna install it now. We're gonna see how it looks because it is wire, so there's a bend. There's a slight bend in the wire. I'm hoping that that bend is gonna flatten out on the wall. If it doesn't, we'll see if we can hang it differently or put the dowels in to see if it installs nicely. Who knows? It's crafting. So I'm gonna turn you around, and I'm so excited about this. This is so huge, right? Let me measure it. Okay, this dowel, I can't find a measuring tape. This dowel is 48 inches. This heart took up 4 feet. This is so exciting. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. Okay, guys, so this is the install location. I'm just replacing a piece of artwork that's above my dining room table. Ah! I love it. I love it. I love it. It's full. It's a funky heart. It's exactly how I wanted, which is why I hand drew it and didn't get a perfect heart because I wanted to kind of come down small at the bottom. And I'm gonna take you out. Get a load of this, guys. Look at that. It's so pretty. I have to take you so far back to see it. Oh my gosh. I almost can't even reach. It looks fluffy. It looks like petals. I'm not lying to you. It literally looks like kind of like rose petals that you made into a heart. It is so perfect. Oh my God, it is so great. Thanks so much for watching. This is so cool. You have to try it. If you try it, let me know. If you like this video, give it an actual thumbs up. And if you like the content on this channel, of course, subscribe, support Crystal Best Lifestyle. I love to have you here. And stay crafty, my friends.